Welcome to Bosku Kitchen. Today we are making mie telur.
Mie telur, enak ya.
ENAK, apparently. I mean, I know it is ENAK. So we've got a pack of instant noodles, mie goreng flavour. And he's broken them up. And now he's pouring on all the... Whoa! Totek! He's up there somewhere.
Everything goes in.
All the sauce.
Jay, tukek greasy Jay.
And the bumbu.
Is that crazy?
The Toteks are crazy.
Tukek greasy.
They're funny.
I'll insert of a picture of a Totek
Yang tukek ya.
right here.
Up.
So 1.5 packets of noodles, mostly smashed up, but all of the flavour sauces and that.
But only one.
Only one ketchup.
Kicap.
Crack the eggs.
Ya.
Satu, dua, tiga.
Ada garam.
Salt.
Now he's mixing it up. Campur. 3 eggs, 1.5 packets of instant noodles, and 75% of all the sauce flavourings that come with it. And a little bit of
Salt me. Salt boss.
Luisa.
Salt boss.
Salt Boss living in 2010.
Luisa. Okay.
Oh, and back.
Whoa.
Oh no!
Amateur.
1 extra egg after most of the mixing.
Did you add the extra egg because the consistency wasn't right, or do you always add the last egg afterwards?
Selalu.
Slightly
What does that
after.
After.
And now sous chef Luis is,
Luisa.
is making minyak panas.
Oh.
Oh,
Now he's transferring it, or a bit of it. I guess he's portioning it out. Just eyeballing it. And then the rest of it goes in. Smooth it out, getting that bottom bit cooked up.
just trying to move that liquid out. Gosh, I can't do all these jobs.
He's gone for the flip.
It hasn't gone well.
Ya. It's okay, Luis.
It's okay, Luis.
Speak
Ya,
off.
big.
Okay,
So the flame goes back up full power.
he's trying it.
Not ready. He shakes the head. It's not ready.
Enak. Okay. Coba.
Luis, coba.
No, you coba. Cameraman.
Coba.
You coba. Enak.
Enak ya?
Yeah. And that crispy.
Nice. Just draining that excess minyak.
Minyak
What do you need?
kecil ya.
Little.
Do you want to hold on for that little bit for us near the edge?
Nulis minyak.
Wait. Okay.
Minyaknya.
Take it out. Oh
No.
no. Oh no, wait. It's not working out. Okay, wait. Oh, you little bugger.
Oh, bangga.
Okay.
We're just trying to drain the oil out, but it's proving tricky. We've got 4 hands in play. Actually, there's only 3.
Ready?
Ready. Bosku. Enak ya.
There's a crunch on the outside where the brown bit is. Inside is nice and soft. It doesn't really taste like too eggy. ENAK.
Jim ya. Jim.
Can I touch?
Coba.
Can I?
Tidak apa. Baik. Lengket.
Oh,
Doing push up.
Yuk, 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 yuk.
he's so cute.
Your best friend.
Coba.
I don't know.
Oh.
Hello.
Iya.
Ah, you're so
Scared me too, man. Bye, little buddy. Get away from boss.
Rosie's watching.
The whole gang's come out to play.
Bye, bye, bye.
Frosty's like, what's going on here?
Luisa.
That was fun. It all ended well.